In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to BMO Harris Bank Online 2025 step by step. We'll walk through a simple, secure login process so you can access your accounts from any modern browser. All you'll need is a reliable internet connection and your existing online banking credentials. If you haven't enrolled yet, you can do that on the bank's website, but today we're focusing on signing in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type BMO Harris Bank login. This helps you quickly find the official sign-in page even if you don't remember the exact web address. From the results, choose the official BMO Harris Bank login page. Before you click, double-check that the link points to a legitimate BMO domain and that you see a padlock icon in the address bar. This indicates a secure, encrypted connection. If you frequently log in, consider bookmarking the official page to avoid search results altogether in the future. Once you're on the login page, locate the user ID field and carefully enter your user ID. Be mindful of extra spaces copied by mistake and make sure your keyboard language and layout are correct. Accuracy here prevents unnecessary lockouts and saves time. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Confirm that caps lock is off, and don't let your browser autofill credentials on shared devices. For best security, use a strong, unique password you don't reuse elsewhere. You'll see a Remember Me option. Turning this on saves your user ID on the current device to speed up future sign-ins. It does not store your password. Only enable this on a personal device you control. Avoid it on public or shared computers. When everything looks good, click Sign In. If your bank has additional security checks enabled, you might be prompted to verify your identity with a one-time code or confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete any prompts to proceed safely. If you run into issues, first verify your internet connection and that you're on the correct website. For forgotten credentials, use the official Forgot User ID or Forgot Password links on the login page. If your account appears locked, follow the guidance on the site to reset access or contact support through the official help channels listed there. Once you're in, you can navigate your accounts as usual. For ongoing safety, sign out when you're finished, especially on shared devices, and keep your browser up to date. That's all it takes to log into BMO Harris Bank online securely and efficiently.